Hello friends, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how gaming destroyed my life. Yeah, it's a major distraction of everybody in today's youth. Let's begin our today's video. But before we start, like and subscribe. Let's begin. Now, you know what? In the world, each and every person who exists has one negative strength or one distraction he or she might be having. Like most of us who are watching have some distractions such as roaming with friends outside, playing all day, football, anything. Somebody is addicted to phone and all. Somebody is addicted to gaming and all. While some are addicted to studies. Yeah. So it all started when I was in grade 5th. Yeah. Because in 4th, so I don't like phone that much. Yeah, like when we are at younger age, most of us do not like phones at that age. So in 4th only, I just scored above 90. I remember 94 or 95 I scored at that time. Because you know what? I was not addicted to mobile games that much that time. Yeah, sometimes I do play on my laptop. Sometimes only when my father used to come, because he also bring a laptop. Yeah, in grade second or third, I used to play in laptop. Yeah, because that time COVID was there, and just I used to enjoy. Hmm. Now what happened that in grade fourth everything was good as I was new to school in grade first, then 2 years of lockdown. Then when I entered grade four, yeah, it was everything new to me. I do not know who is principal, who is headmistress, who is even my subject teacher's name of my subject teachers. Like I was a newcomer and grade fourth, okay. And then I just what I used to study. I was not addicted to phone that much. Yeah, I watch phone, I play games on TV and all, but not too much over that time, okay? Because when I was in grade 4th, it was a small thing. So, how do I used to learn all the things and score good marks? One secret is there. That what I do imagine is, I used to sit in my chacha's room. Basically, now it's of my Yama. But whenever Chacha and all come cousins, they sleep there. So I just used to sit there and read aloud all the answers. Yes, I was just imagining that in back of us there is a banquet hall. So I used to imagine just there was somebody, uncle or somebody, who used to climb the rooftop of the banquet hall kitchen, and I used to just speak loudly so that he can hear it and write it and give it to his son so that he can also learn. It was just an imagination, yeah. So always at the night time or yeah, basically night time, I just used to study loudly, like Whitehall School, his name of a school and all, just loudly. Okay, yeah, concentration was also there, but not too much because I just used to re-study and all loudly just. And at that time, I was an introvert, means I do not interact with people so much. I do not participate in most of the activities. Yeah, sometimes I do participate with my best friend Vivek in some race. I remember I just participated in a three-legged race in which I fall and we didn't get medal. We were just few centimeters or few meters before the finish line. So I was an introvert. I do not participate in activities. But when in grade fifth when I entered, I I just got my potential because at the ending session, I have gave my best. I participated in all the activities which are upcoming and all. I even participated in races. I even participated in English competitions. I even participated in singing competitions. At the end of the year, I was at that level level in which my class teacher also asked, Utkarsh, will you want to be the head boy? I just said yes. But you know what? Then one thing entered in my life which destroyed everything. What's that? You may be asking. That's gaming. In grade 5th, when I entered, I just become the house captain. But you know what? There was something special in head boy. Who become head boy? Basically, who are at good at studying. You know what? We both have just equal marks. Just have equal. Me and him. But you know what? He just scored a little one, and his discipline, his things, and all. Because at the ending, I just become an extrovert. Extrovert means telling everybody everything. Then I also, you know what, not scored well in half yearlies of what, your grade 5th, but I always, even there is a single English competition, how small it is, even in class discussion, I just used to participate. I used to participate in intra debate also, in which I scored second position, in a poetry competition and storytelling even. We have a grand annual function in which I also participated. Yeah. Then at the end, topper was not me, but somebody else. So you know what? The toppers who were there were not addicted to gaming. Yeah, they just study. Okay. So what happened that when grade 6 start, I have a lots of friends who play games. So I also started playing with them. In 5th also I used to play, but not too much. Not too much. But when I entered in 6th, I played games with my students, my friends and all. Yeah. In grade 6 also, I was new to Whitehall, so I haven't, senior Whitehall by the way, I haven't participated in most of the activities, but I try my best to participate. Like, I have participated in 2 activities and got the prizes even. Like, one of them was poetry recitation and one was them of reading competition. Yeah. So I just participate in them and got the prizes at the end of the year. Like, you know what? Extra curriculum is okay, but why do we go to school? Not mainly for co-curriculum. Yes, co-curriculum activities help us to gain some more knowledge and all. But the main thing is studies. Yeah, because all the toppers, I have seen them from grade 5th to grade 7th. They were not even participating in single class discussion, not even activities, extra curriculum activities. They even not are participating. You know what? I used to always participate. Only me from the class always raises his hands for what? For participating, even for sometimes not always. But I don't know what happened at the time of the exam. But I know I can't express it. Yeah, it happens with most of us. We know the answer, but we don't know where our marks are cutting. You know what? When I was in grade 4th and 5th in maths, I was just scoring 52, 47, sometimes 50, 40 out of 80. Yeah, in fifth I remember I scored 52 at that time, which was very, you know what, okay for me, because in grade 5th I was in grade 5th and even can't, you know what, understand the simple questions, because my attention was in co-curriculum activities, gaming, and all distractions. In grade 5th, though, I even do not go outside with friends, just play and all day. Okay, now later on, when I moved to grade 7th, I just know that I scored, highest marks in the class in English, and in grade 6 also. I just scored very well in maths. Like, I do not remember of half yearly, but in annual I scored 67 out of 80, where I was scoring 40, now 67. How this is possible is a strong day. Yeah, because when half yearly was starting, we have only half day of school. Then after my exam, I just come home. I just started all my chapters. on YouTube open and then started studying. I just studied 3 days. Even in the morning, I woke up at 4 and studied. Then only I got 67. Now imagine how people are getting 80 out of 80, 79, more than 75 and all. In Hindi also, in grade 4th and 5th, I was dumb. Hindi, maths, and only two subjects, Hindi and maths. And in grade 6 UTs, first UT, I scored highest marks in maths and Hindi among all the subjects. Yeah, I scored 26 and a half in both the subjects, maths and both Hindi. This shows a little improvement. Like, I can't explain even how dumb I was in maths. In grade 5th, I even can't solve a word problem, basic plus minus questions, because they were tricky. Okay. Then later, I come to know. When I started studying English, oh, this means this. So, if I will do this, then I will get this. I just used to practice till in grade 6. Yeah, in the beginning of the session of grade 7, I was working very hard because this time was of comeback. Never leave you behind. In grade 7 also I used to play games in TV, in phone sometimes and in shorts. Yeah, but in the beginning of the session I was excellent. No, nothing and all. Then when you know what, UT results came, I was disappointed with my English marks. I just scored 25. Now even my friends were scoring 18, 17, 20. I do not care about them. Even my previous class English teacher of grade 6 is still in grade 7 teaching us English only. She told, this is not expected from you. Yeah, I was very sad on that day. And yeah, on that day there was board decoration. So I was very sad and I can't even speak. Then, you know what? My previous class teacher told to my current class teacher that the problem is not in me. I'm to giving my good, but the main problem is friends. Okay, so my friends were not so much intelligent. Just one of my friends scored 90% in grade 4th, and he was big. Hundreds are schooling or 18, 20, 21, 25, 20, 26. Most rarely they score 26 and all. So my teacher also advised me to leave all the friends, and she also told me make a better friend circle. Then 2 to 3 days were left of my summer vacation. So I also told my friends that sorry guys, I need to leave you all behind if I want to ace the exams. Then finally summer breaks opened. Every day I used to just enjoy watching TV, phone, games and all. And also my siblings have came. Although I was doing my holiday work, I have completed English work, Hindi also, maths also. Three subjects are completely English. I took 5 to 10 days to complete it. Then Hindi I just completed in 2 days. Maths I just completed the worksheet before and isometric dot sheet, so I have completed. Just one thing was there of 3D shapes. That also I was just completing. Okay, now you know what? Whenever I get chance, I saw phone lying around. I just pick it up and start playing games. Sometimes alone, sometimes with my siblings, sometimes with my cousins even. Yeah, but sometimes I thought why to play games? Because they are not with us forever. If I play game, what will happen? Just an entertainment of our brain. If I will click, what will happen? Nothing I will get in return. So most of the time I think of improvement. Yeah, I created my schedule because you know what? I am a little bit fat, so I just used to do exercises. 1 to 2 days I continued, then I left it behind. Then again I continued. I continued it 1 week ago and still following that exercise one routine because I have thought that when I will get in school, everybody will be shocked. Hey Utkarsh, now you have to become slim. Same, I want to in my studies also. Yeah, in school times when I was in grade 7th and 6th also, on Saturday nights I used to study till 11 o'clock alone. Yeah, in the night I used to study, then I used to go to sleep because next day is Sunday. Just 11 o'clock I used to study. Sometimes only I followed it 1 week, 2 week, means 14 7 times I followed it and then I left it behind. Then you know what? Distractions can't leave you behind. So again, I started playing games and all. Sometimes I overcome my mind, but sometimes it overcomes me. But from tomorrow, I thought of a perfect daily routine, like waking up at 4 because earlier I was used to also wake up at 4. And you know what? When I was in grade 4th and 5th, in holidays, not even in holidays, when the school started, I used to complete all of my coursework. Like we have the science book, even English book, even. Yeah, I haven't completed them all. I haven't read many lessons as possible. Yeah, that's different thing. I have completed novel in 1 day only. But you know what? What was I in grade 4th and 5th? The good qualities is not in me today. But the good qualities which I have today was not in grade 4th and 5th. So you know what? To overcome your distractions and all, you have to have strong willpower. Without willpower, you can't achieve anything. Like a person is thinking that I want to build a house. Okay, he is thinking I want to build a house. So he is lying on the bed, he is just putting it like this, he is not even working. Will he build the house? No, he can't. He should have a determination to leave his lavishness and laziness comfort zone behind to build the house. He has to wake up from reality. So that's all of today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so please like and subscribe and comment down your distractions. Bye bye.